Let me show you how to save your favorite chart layout, including specific fonts, elements, and formatting as a chart template so you can reuse it anytime. First, select the chart you want to reuse, then go to Change Chart Type and select Save as Template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name, something like Minimal Blue Bar or Simple Line Chart. The colors you save your chart with will become its default colors and won't change with the current theme. But there's a quick way to apply your desired theme colors to the chart, which I will show you later. Let's test it. I will select a basic chart, then go to Change Chart Type, Templates, and pick one of my saved templates. You will see that the layout and chart elements update right away. Fonts, spacing, and data labels all match the saved style. In my case, the colors also change. To fix it, I can go to Chart Design, Change Colors, and choose a different color combination based on my theme colors. Voila! One thing to keep in mind with saved chart templates is that you can cross-apply a chart template if the data supports it. For example, you could apply a line chart template to a bar chart, but a saved bubble chart template will not work on a line chart because the data is not compatible. Thanks so much for watching.